this is what's really going on. As far as I'm concerned, I thought I could turn this in before they try to extra harass me the whole week and act like they don't know what they're doing and play like little preschoolers. So yeah, they were just open and went to turn that in. And it took like, I don't know, 5 minutes. I'll close that now. I think they closed at 4:30. It might be like 4:32 or something. That was a little faster. So let's see what happens on that phone right there, you know what I'm saying? Sometimes I use the phone, they say I did something on the phone, and then it'll take me away for like, 2 weeks. So what's up? Phone's sketchy. You record everything, because they'll do anything they can, just make up anything. How long?
Just a moment, 1 second.
They said hold. You don't want a police officer to come up in here and do everything. Makes no sense. Yeah, I thought I was going to be able to turn in this piece of paper before it closed. But because I was like right at that little bench in the police station outside. Because I needed a place to write down stuff. And then from there on, I guess, I don't know if it was like 3:32 or what. So like, did you guys just close like 2 minutes ago or something? I was just trying to turn in a file report on the police paper because basically I can't get nothing done and just act like they don't know what they're doing. They're just lying in my face. So I was trying to turn that in before they rev up the harassments that they're going to do throughout the weekend because they know they can't be filed on reports until Sunday. So I was thinking I could send that in to somebody here that could actually take it in and make sure it goes to where it's supposed to go to. The office was just open like 2 minutes, maybe like 5 minutes ago. Yeah, that was super fast. So, like, you sure there's not somebody like right behind the little door trying to act like they don't know what's going on?
It's 4:35, sir, so they're closed.
Yeah, they do. That's all they do. They even close at like sometimes like maybe 10 minutes before. Sometimes when they know I'm coming.
Okay, but they didn't do that today.
Yeah, I figured anything would happen with them. So yeah, do you think you could still get it? Are you guys trying to like say some kind of gimmick now? Like, are you trying to make me wait until Monday now?
I don't know what kind
Because I hear somebody's voice like behind the little door right now. I hear somebody talking. Maybe nice to just take the paper and then like keep going with their life instead of being. Yeah, I think I want to make sure they don't go in garbage, but that's fine. That's all I'm trying to do now. All right.
Yeah, just go ahead and slide it in through the window there.
All right, I'll try that. All right, I'm gonna hang up. Means I could just slide it in the window like that, you know what I'm saying? I might even get in there. It might be going in right there. Here it is. I'm scared this one's gonna get it because it knows my name. So let's go over here. As if I was Pablo or something. There it is, Pablo. There you go, man. Alright. It's serious business. Turn that into where it needs to go to. Alright. Yeah, you heard the cough? Everyone's gonna hear the cough because you're uploaded on cough.com. We still alive. Y'all sex trafficking at my house. It says it on the paper. I'm filing a report on sex traffickers. Now you can take that file report while I leave. Or you can act like you don't know what's going on. But I'm gonna play a little game no matter what. You guys always got some little game. Even if we came like in the morning. You're gonna say you can't get it until sometime, until you guys are like got like little cough drops ready and whatever. So come at the end, you're gonna like, oh, finally close up, and they wouldn't do anything. We could, if they knew it was coming, we would have closed like 10 minutes earlier. So here we go. You hear him coughing, acting all stupid. You hear these college graduates acting like preschool dropouts. So there we go. That's that gang stalker over here. Gang stalker try to front like they don't know what they coughing about. So yeah. It gets pretty boring playing this little stupid shit with America, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, that's that. We gonna get out of here now.